The eruption of Kilauea volcano on Hawaii Island has resumed, with high lava fountains once again shooting high into the air at the summit caldera. This marks the fourth episode of the eruption that began on December 23rd. The previous episode paused on January 3rd, and the summit has been quiet until today. Even during the pause, there was a constant glow of the inactive vents, which was an indication that magma was still near the surface. Scientists with the USGS Hawaiian Volcano Observatory expected to see the eruption resume this week based on the rates of inflation that were recorded by summit instruments. Low-level, continuous lava spattering started around 5:40 this morning and continued into sunrise. Spattering had been observed at the same vents during the pause, but it wasn't enough to prompt scientists to declare the eruption had resumed. Then, shortly after 9:15 on Wednesday morning, a lava flow was seen exiting the north vent. About a half hour later, more vigorous lava flows were underway. This marked the official restart of the eruption. The USGS alert level remains at watch, and all activity is confined to the summit caldera within Hawaiʻivolcano's National Park. The lava fountains grew higher in the hours that followed, reaching over 60 meters or 200 feet high early on. The fountain heights are likely to increase as more gas-rich lava erupts. As of this morning, approximately 10% of the crater floor was already covered with new lava. No changes have been detected in the east or southwest rift zones.